brother! Yeah! You! Time to hit the back road, boys! God damn, what the hell is this? Oh my god. Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back. And today I am going to bike night at Rikers Box Hill. I'm in a bit of a predicament. My camera's on 40% battery, my phone's on 40% battery, and I don't know if I have enough battery for GPS, so I've got my phone on ultra dim. I can barely see the GPS, and the camera I've turned on like halfway through the journey. Not cooking, I can't lie. And I really need to overtake this car because it's just slowing me down. Please go left, please go left, please go left, buddy. Yes! Time to hit the back road, boys. Okay, I've got to slow here because this one is rough. Tires up a bit as well, I think. Oh, God, we love the twisties, don't we? Oi. Oh, come on. Brother. Oh, that is peak. That is genuinely just peak. Yeah, bruv. Forget you. On the road. I really hope it's not too dark on the camera, you know. This canopy is much thicker than what it was a couple of days ago. Oh yes, this is better. Whoa, fuck. Oh, you do well. This is so fun, man. See your face and I really hope. 74. What he was doing there, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, that car was flying. Oh my god, what is this? Why is it so jam-packed here? I'm checking to make sure my fuel light don't come on because I am genuinely afraid that my tank's getting low. On the car drivers so much. There should be a law to let bikers pass, I can't lie. Nah, because these twisties here are fun. Look at this guy, he's tailing him so close. Man, if I was on a 700 right now, I'd be right past these guys. No fun. God damn, this guy nearly went off the road. Oh, why are they slowing down, bruv? This guy's on crack. Whoever's driving in this Ford is on crack. Always on the bends that I meet something big, like a tractor. God damn! This is perilous, bruv. Fuck this shit, brother! Yeah, fuck you! Sitting behind them? Hell nah. I just had the temperature light on my bike. That's not good. I think I might have to let it cool down a bit. Who's this Donny waving at? What the hell? He's twinkling his fingers at someone. What the hell? Please don't overheat, bike. Please don't overheat. Oh, a little bike. What the hell is going on here? Oh my god, just look, bruv. Holy shit, bruv. God damn, what the hell is this? What? What am I seeing, bruv? There is literally nowhere to park, I can't lie. I'm just gonna quickly pop it here. What the hell is going on here? Oh my god. God damn, holy shit. This is crazy, bruv. Nah, bruv, this is crazy. What the hell is going on here? I hope you guys are seeing this, you know. I'm gonna push this forward, and if someone does want to park it, they can. Ugh. Oh my god. Nah, this is crazy work, though. Holy shit. God damn. Oh my god. I can't believe this. Nah, bruv. Is that Merxie's bike? Hey, look at that, bruv. Oi. Nah, he's done a good job with that. Nah, bruv. There's just bikes everywhere. This is carnage. Oh, look at that Azontes, bruv. Whee. I can't believe my eyes, bruv. It's just bikes upon bikes. I don't believe this. What is that? A 3-cylinder 2-stroke? No, 2-cylinder. Nah, bruv, look at this. There's just bikes everywhere. Whee! Look at that. God damn, bruv. Woo! This is sick, though. God damn. Nah, brother. What the hell is that? I've never seen that bike before. Nah, these bikes were sick though. Nah, bro, this is mad work going on here. God damn, bro, what the hell is going on here? Yeah, bro, I can't lie. Bike night is a mad thing. Bike night is an absolute mad thing, you know. Why can't he just go to the other side, like? God damn, you dumb man. The backpack giving the nods and that, you get me? My roads! Ah! Come on, boys, let's see how fast we can go. With a fresh petty in the bike. What a save! I'm good! I ain't trying to stay on dash cam no longer! I knew I shouldn't have gone for that, but I did. Woo! Man, I am one with the bike right now. I am one with the ragey. Oh, I just had a dead bug explode all over my visor. Oh, please let me past. Thank you. Watch it, he's gonna keep up with me now. Yeah, he's trying to keep up with me now. The filthy boy. Nearly did not make that at all. Sheesh! Turn around and make this situation my fault. Nah, this is legit full throttle on the back roads type shit. Now, how's that car kept up with me? Nah, this car's keeping up. It's madness. Thank you, mate. Goodbye, mate. Goodbye, car driver. Huge ass beaver. There we go, let's chill it here because it is a resident area. Okay, sorry mate. Okay boys, thank you for watching, I appreciate it. Subscribe, like, comment, you know. Tonight, has been crazy. So, thank you very much, appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace guys.